Hi, today we're going to be making bracelets. So you can use rubber bands, hooks, and charms. They are optional. So first, you take a rubber band and you twist it on your arm like that. Then when you're using another color, if you're using another color, you take the other color and twist it like that. Then you use another color and you do it like that. Then you take the one that's on the very bottom and you push it all the way to the top. Like that. You put it over them. Then you take the orange one, because it's on the bottom, and you twist it on the fingers. Then you put it up like that. Then you take the pink. You can put it down if it's kind of short. Then you take the pink and you wrap it around your fingers. Then you push it up. And you can pull. You can also put it on your thumb if it's kind of easy. So then you put it on your finger and you can do it. So you repeat the process until it's like the bracelet. So then you take another color. You can put it down. And then you put another color, the orange. So there, you have your bracelet. So then you have to keep repeating the process. And then you can check like this, how it is. Mine's very small, so you can keep going. And then you take the orange, and you put it. So whatever color's on the bottom, you keep the color on the top. And then the middle colors are the same. And then you put it up. So it's the bottom color. You put pink on the top now. Like that. And then you put it up. Up. So it's big. But you can still do it if you want it to be like a necklace type. So after you're done making a very long bracelet, then you keep the two sides on one finger and you stretch it. Then you take a hook and you hook it around both. After you've done that, you take it off. Then you do the same thing with the other one, and you take the hook and you hook it again. That's your bracelet. And now, I will take this charm and put it on. When you hook it on, you take a little rubber band piece and you take the charm and you hook it.